got more birds for ya, and this time it's brant. Look at it. They look kind of like Canada geese. They've got little swimmers in the back. They're highly territorial. And they love eating food off of these rocks here. Look at them. They're so beautiful. Do you see that white line on their neck? That's something that will help you distinguish them from Canada geese, in addition to their size and other markers. Just in case you're newer to birds, it just helps to have multiple different distinguishers. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!